Guys, this is wild. I gave Kling AI one short sci-fi script and it created a full connected scene with multiple camera angles, dialogue, and the same hero in every shot. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so today I am testing whether Kling can solve two of the biggest AI video problems: multi-shot storytelling and character consistency. The project is an original Vortex micro story called The Last Signal from my new FPS retro shooter called Riftfall. A courier named Nova wakes inside an abandoned orbital station carrying a glowing data core. The station is collapsing, a security drone is tracking her, and she has only seconds to transmit the core before the signal disappears. I start by building Nova as a reusable video subject. I upload a short reference clip and supporting photos, then Kling generates multi-angle references to understand her face, hair, outfit, and overall identity. I can also bind a unique voice to the subject, so Nova can look and sound consistent when she returns in later shots. This matters because consistency is not only about keeping the same face in a close-up. The character has to survive side angles, wider framing, different lighting, movement, and partial facial occlusion. For this sequence, Nova moves from a dark corridor into a bright control room while carrying the same glowing core. Kling keeps the character and the object connected across the visual changes. Now I open the video generator and enable multi-shot. In the automatic mode, Kling can read the script and plan the scene transitions for me, but I want more control, so I activate custom multi-shot and define 6 shots with their own framing, duration, camera movement, action, and dialogue. The 6-shot plan is simple: wide station, push toward Nova, tracking corridor run, drone reveal, transmit a close-up, and a final pullback as the data core sends a beam into space. Every shot gets its own timing, camera movement, action, and dialogue. Kling Video 3.0 can generate a multi-shot sequence in one generation. I keep the dialogue short and make every camera change serve the story, ending with the transmission as the visual payoff. The first result already has a clear sequence, but I refine the shot plan instead of accepting everything automatically. I shorten the establishing shot, give the corridor run more time, and make the final pullback slower. This is the useful difference between automatic multi-shot and custom multi-shot. One gives you speed, while the other lets you shape the pacing. The second hook comes when Nova turns away from the drone and the camera swings from profile to front view. This is normally where AI characters can change identity or lose facial detail. Because Nova is saved as a video subject, Kling holds her appearance through the angle change and keeps the voice connected to the same character. The finished scene feels more deliberate than a single continuous shot. We get an establishing image, a character introduction, movement, a threat, a reaction, and a conclusion. The camera language creates progression, while subject consistency prevents the sequence from looking like a different actor entered halfway through. My main tip is to write the scene as actions, not as a huge paragraph of visual adjectives. Define who is present, what changes in each shot, where the camera moves, and which line belongs to which character. Then use automatic multi-shot for a fast interpretation or custom multi-shot when timing and framing matter. Kling AI brings video, image, audio generation, and editing into one platform, and this workflow has changed how I create creative projects. The same setup can structure product reveals, short dramas, fashion campaigns, and music videos while preserving reusable characters and voices. Check the link in the description to try Kling AI 3.0 and build your own multi-shot scene. Subscribe to Vortex for more practical AI video tests where we create the final result, inspect the workflow, and show what the model can actually do.